Hi, good morning, folks. It is Wednesday. This is a 45 quart igloo. It is that's a sack of ground, and there's a sack full of steaks. Another bag full of ground. Another bag full of ground, and another bag full of steaks. So this is a 64 quart or 65 quart and a 46 quart, and this is from last Saturday's deer hunt. So I gotta work those into the freezer, and yeah, picked them up this morning. It's quite a bit of meat. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna get to work putting this away, and I'll be right back. All right, so this side is completely filled in with, and this is the high side of the little chest freezer, and it's completely, I don't know how many tubes of deer, and there might be one down underneath. That's the hog that I had that was given to me, and I processed, and of course we got some bacon and stuff, and that's the hog meat. And that was from the deer earlier. I don't know if this stuff I've pulled out is any good or not to make room. And then of course I got deer and some, and then there's my back straps and stuff from the deer from last year. And then all the white packages are from the muzzleloader. And then down at the bottom, we'll use those first. That's from last year's deer. And then some summer sausage there. Big stick there underneath. Anyway, we got them full. I gotta put some stuff back and then upload this video. But we still got gun season to go, and I'm allowed 3 more. Same rules apply. 1 buck or 1 antlered, 2 antlerless. And with any luck, I'll be buying another freezer. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here and finish what I was doing, close this video, and you guys have a awesome rest of the week. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. And again, the invitation to subscribe to the page. It's free. All right. See you soon.